Welcome back to the shop. I'm Jason, and as you saw from that intro, today we're talking about the Lumastep M1 running boards. They have been on my mom's truck since May when I installed them, and I gotta tell you, she freaking loves these things. Everywhere she goes, this super bright light stands out. Daytime, nighttime, every time. People are seeing these things and asking her all the time, which I am very thankful for because she tells them to go to my YouTube channel right here at Driving Forward Builds to get the link to get your very own set. So let's talk about some of the pros and cons over the last 8 months, long-term review, at least from my parents' perspective on their truck. So as you can see, these came in red originally and they have faded slightly to pink. Now this truck does get parked outside in the Phoenix heat year-round. So I'm not exactly surprised by that. This is a boat foam that they use as a non-slip padded insert here, and it just applies to the normal steps. Now, I say it's a con, but in actuality, at least in this case, it's totally a positive because my mom loves that they're a little more pink than red. Before, when they were dark red, it was a little manly for her. Now, she thinks this is awesome. She's actually gotten compliments from other ladies that she's really liked it. Now, if you're a dude and you don't want pink steps, I'd probably suggest the other two colors, the blue or the gray. They're probably gonna last a little bit better in this Phoenix sun. Now, with that said, I reached out to Boost Auto and they said they'd be more than willing to replace these. Mom doesn't want them replaced, but what they did do is they sent me some of their boat juice for cleaning them. This is foam pad and vinyl cleaner, and I've already cleaned this side, and honestly, they do look really good, but let's go ahead and go over to the passenger side. We'll clean those really quick, and then we'll continue on with our review. So the directions are pretty simple. Spray on, agitate, add a little bit of water, agitate, and rinse. You can see this side, before I spray, it's pretty dirty right now from playing in the dirt and getting some fun B-roll. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dwell for a minute or two. It's not too hot, so I'm not worried about it drying. Then we'll rinse it off and let it dry out. So as far as a con, I'm gonna put this one 50-50 on the steps and on me and / my parents. The foam is probably supposed to have been maintained a little bit more in the last 8 months, at least with some sort of special cleaner for the foam, but that's something to know in advance. When you're purchasing your running boards, one of the last options is, do you want the foam cleaner? Get it. And then make sure you maintain them really nicely. Now, if you don't get the foam pads, then you don't have to worry about that. Recently, we installed a set of M2 running boards on my dad's truck without the foam pads. And I think that if I were to get a truck in the future, I'd probably go that route because they're non-slip, they look great. While these look really snazzy, I don't know that that's the route I would go. But for my mom, whoo-wee, does she love it. Let's talk about con number 2. And this is another kind of silly, simple one. Let's go to the other side. So for the next con, this one's again kind of on us on Boost. The rock light functionality is fan-freaking-tastic. Super bright, super easy to initiate, and I like that it overrides everything else and you can just turn it on. However, the switch itself does not light up. It has a ground spot on it. So it was at this very moment I realized how dumb I sound right here. It has a ground spot on it, but it doesn't light up. Yep, it's a good thing I was editing this because it just ding! My old mushy brain said it has a ground spot on it. That must mean so it can light up. What the heck was I thinking? So let me show you this. If you hook up a ground to the switch, something magical happens. You know, sometimes you just got to be honest with the world and recognize when you're an idiot. I was an absolute idiot on this. The switch could light up the whole time. Let me pop this panel off and I'll show you what I did to make the ground work. So take a look down in there. All I did was run a ground wire to that bolt, metal reinforcement plate, and to the switch. That's it. That's all it took. It has a ground on it. Man, sometimes I can't believe myself. All right, back to the regularly scheduled programming. So we have two nitpicky cons with these running boards. I really like the way that we ordered these with the normal turn signal, the running light. You have the welcome feature. When you hit the key, you get that cool switch back and forth. You can option these things with the sequential and all sorts of different options on the website. You can take a look up here at what different things you can do. The rock light feature is ridiculously bright. The steps themselves are very well built and strong. I mean, they're gonna support any different wide load that you need to get up there. So what can I really say about these after 8 months? I was looking for problems and I really can't find them, so I gotta make up these little nitpicky things. This company, Boost Auto, has been one of the best companies that I've worked with in the years past, and they do everything on time and when they say it. Josh, you know I'm talking about you. It's been really a joy to work with you guys. They're not paying me to say any of this. This is after they sent the boards, after they've been in use. They didn't even ask for this video. But as I've been working on my dad's truck and working on this one, I thought it was important just to note how long we've had them, 8 months, and that they have worked out flawlessly. If you're looking for a set of running boards, I do have a link down below. Use that code, let them know that you bought it because you saw this video. I don't get anything from it. They get to make more running boards and make more people happy. I really do appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment, come back for another video later.